brand new unit being installed. Scotsman left factory leak and shipped it out to be installed. Look at that. The pump should be quieting down by now, but it's not. Let it run for a few minutes, or a minute, and then you close the valve on the gauges, and it all zeroes back out. Notice that I'm pulling down the line set only and pulling through the discharge line through the entire condenser and out the opposite side, which is the liquid line service port.
That's the line set.
I got a leak. I got a freaking leak, man. So I'm gonna put nitrogen in it. That's a hefty leak, man. Alright, cool. I'm gonna let it ride like that. Go check on the roof. Oh man, these soggy sons of bitches from the factory. Look at this. Look at this bullshit. Look at that bullshit. Look at that. Unacceptable, Scotsman. Now I had to haul my torches back up here on the roof after I already did a good job doing that and fix your leak that you left from the factory. And man, y'all got some ugly welds, dude. That's bad. And why is there oil all over this line right here? Like, look at y'all's welds. This is terrible. You can really see it now. Look at that. That's not cool, man. Try this again, shall we? And see if the pump quiets down after 10 seconds. quieter, huh? Now, when you're running a vacuum, if you don't have a micron gauge, you should have a micron gauge, but if you don't have one, when you close your valve down and open it, and you don't hear much change in sound, you're about as deep as the pump is going to let you get. Now, you should know if your pump can pull a proper vacuum or not if you use this method, but that is a trick. It's also useful when you do that to do a pressure test. We'll see if it holds whatever PSI for like 15 minutes. Is 100 heavy, 100 heavy, 15 minutes. Still 100 heavy. Okay, that's good. Okay, now notice the sound. Put you up here by the pump. Closed. No change in sound. That's a tight system. Until next time. So I appreciate you watching. So beware for Scotsman equipment. If you do, you might have to fix a factory leak. But this was a good install overall, went good. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and I'll be making more content for videos like this.